Good morning, Kenyans. I just want to have the message today. As you have heard, mafuta imepanda right now. Mafuta imepanda hata siku hizi. Siwezi enda Western na gari yangu. Nowadays I've just decided that kama ni kwenda Western because your VAT yangu hiyo ni gasla. Hiyo ni gasla. You need to have, ajua nilikuwa naenda na 13,000. Sahi, if I want to go to, I need to have like, I need to plus venye meongezeka, I need to have like almost 20,000 just to go peke yake. Anyway, 20,000 to 25, 20,000 to 25,000. Hiyo ni one way. My message goes to the people of Mount Kenya. From my analysis is the Mount Kenya MPs. I'm sorry to say this, but I have to say it. And I want to say this with a lot of, and today is a Sunday, with a heavy heart, that Mount Kenya people, gather yourself, gather and ask yourself, whom did you send to the parliament? I'm not saying that you don't elect them, but ask yourself, whom did you elect them? Which people did you elect to go and represent you? Recently, we were voting about the issues of the finance bill. They never even want to consider, even to change a comma in that bill. Even there was that point whereby they were saying they were taking powers from the powers to borrow money from the whatever, to borrow money from outside, taking away those powers from the parliament to a treasury so that they can be borrowing money without even knowing Kenyans, without notifying to the Kenyans. But they just pass everything. So Mount Kenya people, gather yourself and ask, which kind of leaders did you elect? The leaders ambao they have been bought, that they cannot even stand in solidarity and tell the president, yes, you are our boss. But this is not the way to go. We have to reconsider this thing. The MPs of Mount Kenya, you people of Mount Kenya, call your MPs to order. Even today, kama William Ruto akisema ya kwamba nataka kwenda lifetime MP president, and tells them they will pass that thing. They will pass. They will mobilize themselves like witches at night. So we are helpless. Call your MPs. Waambie tuliwatuma huko kwenda kwa vibaraka wa State House. Sahi, nyinyi wa Kikuyu ndio mtaumia. Sisi Waluya, sisi hatufanyi biashara, sisi hatufanyangi biashara mingi. Sisi bora tumekaa vizuri venye tumekaa hivi na tunafanya mambo mawili matatu, we are okay. You are in the business industry. Mafuta ikipanda, nyinyi ndio mna import vitu, nyinyi ndio mnafanya nini? Sasa sisi hatuna hasara. We tried our best. Me, I voted no. But you see, pesa hata saa hii wameafu kejeli kukuja ati ya kwamba they are increasing the salaries. SRC, una increase salary aje when we are at the inflation? Right now, why were you increasing the nini and then you increasing the salaries of the members? Any MP who is going to accept the increase in salary yake, mimi nitakudharau sana. Let us go and reject that thing of SRC. Unaongezea majudges wa pesa ya kufanya nini? Unaongezea au sijui mtoe hizo vitu sijui CAS, mnaweka pale, mnaweka mizigo hii inaenda kwa nini? Hata CDF wacha tupate ile yenye tumekuwa tukipata, alafu we see how we can move around.